Hello, welcome to Ajay's Academy. In this video we are gonna learn how to make a USB bootable, so let's start the video. First of all, download this software. This is where our USB device is shown. After injecting the USB, here it is. Now from here we will select our ISO file. I am selecting Windows 10. You can select any version. This is partition scheme. From here you have to select your partition scheme. Mine is MBR, so I am selecting it. This is our USB drive name. You can change it if you want. Leave the rest of options as default. Now click on Start. Read the instructions and click OK. It's completed. Now click on Close. Don't click on Start. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.